Hi guys, today we're gonna make brownie.
อุปกรณ์ของเรานะคะก็จะมีผงโกโก้ค่ะน้ำตาลทรายขาวนะคะเนยค่ะช็อกโกแลตนะคะน้ำตาลทรายแดงไข่2ฟองค่ะแป้งอเนกประสงค์นะคะ
This is butter.
This is chocolate a little bit was melted but it's okay I'm gonna put some butter together I'm gonna mix with the butter this is butter is already melted I'm gonna mix in the chocolate I'm gonna leave them here and then I'm gonna mix some sugar we have 2 sugar together and we mix together with egg I'm gonna mix them together I'll blend until the sugar dissolve. Let me shake. The sugar is not dissolved yet. Okay, and then we're gonna put some the butter and chocolate that we already mixed. After that, we put some cocoa powder and mix with flour and then I put some vanilla
So we will use a train size 8 times 8. It's time to bake in the oven. So we use the temperature around 170 Celsius and spend time around 25 minutes. A few moments later.
So crispy. Dạ,
Ông
hơi
hơi
đừng
dạ,